Tarih 6 Haziran 2024 yer, Wyoming, Amerika Birleşik Devletleri. Trey Stewart Spurlock, 26 yaşında, ABD ordusunda görev yapmış bir gaziydi. 2016 yılında orduya katıldı ve 2022'de sağlık nedeniyle emekli oldu. Polisler aile içi şiddet ihbarı üzerine saat 21:30 sularında olay yerine geldiğinde mağdur olduğunu iddia eden bir kadınla görüştü. Kadın, eşyalarını almak için dairesine girmek istediğinde memurlar güvenliğini sağlamak amacıyla ona eşlik etti. Daireye girdiklerinde içeride ABD ordusu gazisi, 26 yaşındaki Trey Stewart Spurlock'u balkonda yanında bir tüfekle otururken buldular. Polisler Spurlock'u aile içi şiddet suçlamasıyla tutuklamaya çalışırken Spurlock birden tüfeğine yöneldi. Bu hareket polislere tek bir seçenek bıraktı. Bu olay bir yanda kolluk kuvvetlerinin müdahale yöntemleri, diğer yanda gazilerin ruh sağlığı ve destek mekanizmaları konusunda büyük tartışmalara yol açtı. Şimdi olayın detaylarına daha yakından bakalım.
He's got a rifle sitting next to him. What's going on? Yeah, well, she was safe.
I'm also part of the lease owner.
I know,
Trespassing.
but we have to
shoot you.
No, you couldn't.
I don't care. Death by cop doesn't sound too bad. But what do you want?
What happened?
I told her to get the fuck out.
Okay.
And so I pushed her the fuck out. She wouldn't fucking leave.
Okay. Can you step in here?
No.
Can you step in here away from the rifle so that we can talk?
Go ahead.
It's behind me. What do you want?
Yeah, like 3 steps behind you.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's plenty of time for you to always
So-
He just wants to know how she can
We
get
came
back
in
to
here.
Motel 6.
And she told us that she is going to,
Copy.
I'm listening. Calm down.
that she's going to come in here and get her stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to come in here to make sure she was safe because she's alleging that you were pushing her and could be
No, I
violent with
pushed
her.
her out that fucking door.
You pushed her out the door?
Yeah, 100% did.
Okay, why?
I'm tired of her shit. I'm tired of the bullshit. I'm tired of everything. Told her to get the fuck out. She was leaving anyways. She fucking
Okay.
screamed at me, so I put her out that fucking door. It's not even like she pays for this fucking place. She might be on the fucking lease, but I pay for everything.
Okay, well that doesn't mean anything to
I
me,
know it
but she
doesn't
lives
legally.
here.
I don't really give a fuck either.
Okay, so you pushed her like,
Yeah, I
Both
pushed her
hands
out the
pushed
fucking
her?
door. Yeah. Then
did you
her-
knock her over when you pushed her?
No, she stumbled. I picked her back up, and I put her out the door.
She stumbled and fell on the ground?
She didn't fall on the ground. I grabbed her before she fell.
Okay. She stumbled after you pushed her though?
She stumbled because she had lost her footing, yes.
Okay. So you guys got in an argument? Anything else physical happen?
No? And I saw you inspecting the door. That was long before you guys ever got here. That was when she tried to commit.
I'm not saying that was from, she didn't even, said she didn't know what that was from.
Oh, she did, because I punched that door before she tried to commit. That was like a month and a half ago.
Okay.
Polislerden birisi mağdur olan kadını diğer odaya götürüyor ve balkonda adamın yanında duran silahın gerçek olup olmadığını teyit ediyor. Polisler ortamın güvenliğini sağlamak ve olası bir tehdidi değerlendirmek adına temkinli ve kontrollü bir şekilde hareket ediyorlar.
You said that's an airsoft gun? Huh? Did you say that's an airsoft gun or is that a real gun? Does he have a gun? That rifle? He has a gun with him? A rifle. It's on the porch. He has that with him. Yeah, it's real. It's real. Just making sure.
Okay, so describe to me what happened, what led up to you pushing her out the door.
Me and her got in an argument. I told her to get out. She was already leaving anyway for her birthday bash, because we have the same birthday. She fucking screamed at me, and I said, I'm tired of this shit, so I pushed her out the fucking door.
Okay. How hard did you push her?
Not very.
Not very. How many times did you push her?
Probably like 3.
3 times?
Probably. And
Just
I
all in the
counted.
back, or?
And mostly, yeah.
Okay. How long you guys been together?
On and off for like 9 months.
Okay. How long has she been living here?
We got this lease in November.
Okay. So what made you decide to start? She's already leaving the house. Why would you start pushing her in the back?
Because I wanted her to leave. She kept screaming at me, I'm done with this relationship. I don't think you understand that.
No, I understand. I think that's a great idea.
And then every time I try to fucking leave her too, or something, some bullshit fucking happens. Trips me, she does fucking something. I don't need this shit. I really don't.
Okay.
All this is the same shit with her. I'm fucking tired of it. I'm just trying to fucking leave. I go to work, I come home. Today, I went to work at fucking 7 a.m. Came home, it was perfectly fucking fine. She went to the fucking beach with a good fucking time, cool. I didn't want to fucking talk. She keeps asking me stupid fucking questions. I'm done tired of asking them. I told her I was fucking done with this shit. She fucking was like, cool, I'm leaving, whatever. She screamed at me, I screamed at her. She screamed at me again, I told her to get the fuck out.
Okay. And then you started pushing her out the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
End story, I pushed her out the fucking door, gave her her shit, went downstairs, gave her fucking other car keys, so she had all her car keys. I didn't know if she had hers or not. Called it good.
Okay.
And I watched you guys pull fucking up and everything fucking else.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail tonight, I hope you know that. Like,
What does that mean?
I'm just letting you know I'm not going to jail tonight. That's why that fucking rifle's there. I'm not going to fucking jail tonight. Either death by cop or not. I've been in plenty of firefights in my fucking life. I'm afraid of another one. Point being is I'm not fucking going to jail tonight. Refuse to. Take that as you will.
352 loves you.
Can you just step inside here so that we can finish our conversation?
We were talking perfectly fine.
Door code is
You just said you're gonna fucking shoot me.
I didn't say I was going to shoot you. I said I wasn't going to jail. You can take implications.
You said if you're gonna go to
that's
jail,
what the video camera
that
shows
you're gonna
too.
fucking shoot us.
I didn't say you were going to shoot you. If I want to shoot you, I could pick all three of you off in this fucking balcony. I can hit a fucking, on Ironsides, I can hit a fucking paper target from 300 fucking meters away. If I
Okay.
wanted to kill you guys, it would have already been fucking done. Before you walked out your fucking car. When you guys all showed up in a convoy. I didn't say I was going to shoot you. I said I'm not going to jail.
Okay. Can you step inside?
I'm right here.
Yeah, but can you step inside,
No, I'm stepping
away
right
from
here.
the gun so that we can finish the conversation?
We are finishing the conversation. We are talking right now. And that gun's 3 foot up behind me. He can grab his pistol and she can grab her pistol faster than I can grab that fucking gun. So, you're not in any danger right now. If I walk backwards and grab that motherfucker, see? Look at that. Look at that. You're fine. You have your hand on your fucking pistol, you'll be fine. Calm down.
Okay. So are you gonna step inside so that we can finish the conversation?
No. We are talking perfectly fine right now. If she grabs her shit, she goes out the door, you guys go with her, like you just stated, then we're perfectly fine. Your life's not in danger, my life's not in danger, no one's life's in danger. I don't deal with this shit.
Are you not gonna step inside for me?
No. I just told you that multiple times. You're gonna keep asking me, I'm gonna keep telling you the same answer.
Okay, because I want to avoid
Okay.
what you're talking about with your fucking rifle.
My rifle's just sitting there.
Yeah, I know it is.
I'm allowed to have it right there.
Okay.
This is not a fucking gun state.
Okay, but you
I'm
don't
pretty
understand
fucking
why
sure.
I'm concerned that you just talked
You
about
telling
having
me
a
that you're
shootout with
concerned
cops.
about that? Listen here. I did 2 fucking deployments overseas. I understand that. I understand about the whole fucking
Okay.
ass show, whole bunch of bullshit.
Because I don't
right?
want to shoot anybody
You're,
right now.
okay, cool. You're there. I'm here. We're perfectly fine having a civil conversation. Are we not? Are we not having a civil conversation right now?
Sure.
Okay. You're the one escalating this right now.
I'm not
not.
escalating. You're the one that brought up having a shootout with cops.
No, I didn't say it was shootout. I said I'm not going to jail.
Try Stewart Spurlock polislerin kendisini tutuklama girişimini kesinlikle kabul etmiyordu. Bir yandan silahı ve asker geçmişiyle polislere gözdağı veriyor, ancak doğrudan sorulduğunda bunu reddediyordu. Polisler 15 dakikadan uzun süre boyunca onu içeri geçip teslim olmaya, ikna etmeye çalıştı. Ancak Spurlock teslim olmamak için her şeyi göze almış gibiydi. Kız arkadaşıyla yaşadığı sıradan tartışma, olayın çok farklı ve tehlikeli bir noktaya sürüklenmesine neden oldu.
Okay. Can you work with me one step further and close the door?
I will close it halfway. I'll give you that. I will give you that much.
Okay.
337.
So now,
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, like I said,
Can you put me on that agency?
the issue at hand
Is that I pushed her out the door.
is that
which
you're
I 100%
pushing her out the door.
I 100% did.
Right. Okay? So, it's not a huge deal.
Yes.
Like, she doesn't have any crazy marks on her or anything, but
Well,
it is technically a domestic assault.
Which I understand.
Copy.
Okay? So you understand that we have to do our jobs,
I understand that.
right? Okay? So, I'm trying to handle this as peacefully as possible.
And I am too. I'm meeting you halfway, am I not? I've not done mostly two of the requests you asked. You asked me to walk in the door, I said walk in the door. You stepped backwards, we said cool. You asked me to shut the door, I shut the door halfway. I'm meeting you halfway here. Quite literally halfway.
Okay.
Am I not?
But I'm explaining to you
Yes.
that we have to do our jobs.
And I'm explaining what
And I'm trying to make it not just safe for us, safe for you,
And I think I'm pretty
to
safe
do our
with it.
jobs. Because I just told you, you did just admit,
That I pushed
to
you out
it.
the door. Yes.
which is a domestic assault.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, we have to deal with that further.
Okay.
Okay? And I'd like to do it after you close the door,
Because you're gonna try to put me in handcuffs. Correct? Domestic assault?
because
Correct?
I don't want
No. Am I correct?
this to escalate further.
Right. So, technically, next steps, domestic assault, if I'm wrong, is you put me in handcuffs, you take me to the down jail unit and process me, you do my fingerprints, you do everything else. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yeah, you're correct.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Okay? So turn around for me,
No, I'm not.
put your hands behind your back,
No.
step this way.
No. Well, open
Okay,
this
you're
door.
gonna get